Hello everyone. Want to know why Google was named Google? Make sure to stick around till the end. First website ever. In 1989, the Internet was a far cry from the global phenomenon it is today. But one man, Tim Berners-Lee, had a vision to change that. Tim Berners-Lee, a British scientist working for CERN, had a revolutionary idea. He wanted to create a system that would allow scientists and universities to share information with ease. And with that, the first website was born. Hosted on Tim's next computer, this website served as the birthplace of the World Wide Web, or W3. This website may look simple by today's standards, but it represented a huge leap forward in the way information was shared and accessed. It was the start of the Internet era as we know it today. First cellular, mobile phone ever. In 1983, Motorola made history by releasing the world's first mobile phone. The Dynatac 8000X was a portable phone that changed the way we communicate forever. However, this innovative device was far from perfect. At a cost of $3,995, it was a luxury item, and its 30 minutes of talk time and 10-hour charging time were less than ideal. In addition, its memory could only store 30 phone numbers, making it more of a status symbol than a practical device for most people. Despite its limitations, the Dynatac 8000X marked a major breakthrough in mobile technology. The most powerful supercomputer in the world. The title holder belongs to Fugaku, developed by the Riken Research Lab and Fujitsu. This machine unseated the previous record holder, IBM's Summit supercomputer. Fugaku is impressive in many ways, offering an impressive 442,000 teraflops of performance, which is a measure of computations per second. To compare, the popular PlayStation 5 only offers 10.2 teraflops. Fugaku is being used to solve complex computing problems, such as understanding the physics of black holes and the spread of infectious diseases. It is also being used to develop entirely new technologies. But what exactly is a supercomputer? It's a machine that can handle huge volumes of data in the shortest time possible. It is a powerful tool for solving scientific and technical problems. Supercomputers have many practical applications, from modeling climate change to creating digital simulations for car crash tests. The first computer mouse. The first computer mouse was invented in the 1960s by Douglas Engelbart. It was made from wood and rollers and used a cord to connect it to the computer. The original mouse was used to move a cursor around a computer screen and click on points of interest. In 1983, Apple released the first mouse to use a single mouse button instead of two. The Apple mouse also had a rubber ball on its underside, which allowed it to track its movement on any surface it was placed on. This mouse was the first to operate using optical technology, using light instead of a mechanical ball. IT professionals stress out about technology just like everyone else. IT professionals are often seen as experts on hardware and software, and for good reason. New products and services launch in the IT field every single day. This constant influx of new technology can be daunting for IT professionals. A survey of IT professionals found that 31% of them rated keeping up with technology as the biggest challenge in the workplace. For IT professionals that work with multiple companies or clients, the amount of hardware and software solutions they have to use can feel overwhelming. High-level IT professionals can tend to prioritize impact on work-life balance over technology woes. Despite the stress technology can bring into the workplace and home, many IT professionals still feel connected to their work and wouldn't choose another profession. The first computer ever, ENIAC. The ENIAC, Electronic Numerical Integrator and Computer, was a breakthrough development in the world of computers, as it was the very first electronic, programmable machine. Designed in 1945 and entering service that December, the ENIAC had the computational power of 2,400 human beings and cost an estimated $500,000. What made the ENIAC so revolutionary was its use of octal base radio tubes. While these tubes proved limited in their lifespan, only needing replacement on a daily basis, they still managed to give the computer 50% uptime. However, With the advent of more specialized and durable tubes, the ENIAC was able to go up to 2 days without needing tube replacement. This development in computer technology paved the way for further innovations. Wikipedia is run and maintained by thousands of humans and hundreds of bots. Wikipedia is a vast collection of information, maintained and updated by a collective of thousands of human contributors and hundreds of bots. The bots, often colloquially referred to as robots, are autonomous software agents that work to keep the encyclopedia running smoothly. One of the most important bots is ClueBot-NG, which constantly monitors Wikipedia pages for vandalism and other malicious activity. This bot reacts almost in real time, keeping the information clean and accurate. Other bots are used to add and update standardized forms of data. This includes things like citations and bibliographic information, which must be consistent across all articles. Since bots can handle this tedious task with ease, they are able to save humans hours and even days of manual labor. Google's name comes from a spelling error. Google's name is the result of a spelling error made by the company's founders, Sergey Brin and Larry Page. The two had originally planned to name the search engine after the mathematical term Google, which is the number 1 followed by 100 zeros. However, due to time constraints, they eventually settled on the name Google instead. The name Google is much easier to spell and looks more user-friendly on a computer screen compared to Google. As a result, it has become the world's most popular search engine. More than 70% of search queries worldwide are made using Google. The name Google has become so popular, in fact, that its use as a verb is commonplace. People often say they are Googling something when they are running a search query on the Internet. Original name of Microsoft Windows was Interface Manager. In the early 1980s, Microsoft began development on a program called Interface Manager. But it wasn't until 1983 that the project was officially renamed Windows, introducing a revolutionary new operating system to the world. The name, Interface Manager, perfectly describes what Windows would become: a graphical user interface, GUI, that would revolutionize the way people interacted with computers. However, the marketing department realized that Interface Manager wouldn't be attractive or appealing to the public, and the name was changed to Windows. Interface Manager should be considered a work-in-progress name, and something that is best left in the past. Windows is the name that most people know and recognize. I hope you found this video informative and engaging. If you have any questions or suggestions, leave them in the comments section below. And as always, thank you for watching and see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.